Nothing Phone 4 might still be a mystery officially, but fans are already imagining what the next big step in the series could look like. Recently, a Nothing community member, Joe Pia Doge, shared a bold new concept design, and it instantly caught the attention of fans. The design keeps the brand's signature transparent look, but evolves it into something far more functional and interactive. In this concept, the most eye-catching change is the redesigned Glyph Matrix. Instead of the smaller, circular layouts we've seen on the Phone 3, the Nothing Phone 4 concept stretches the glyph into a rectangular bar, doubling the density of lights. This makes the back of the phone look futuristic and gives much more room for expressive animations and notifications. It also hints at new possibilities of visual feedback for apps or music. But what really makes this concept stand out are the 3 physical buttons added at the bottom of the device. And to be honest, they look useless. I mean, what would a user do with these buttons? Control volume by turning the device backwards. What's your take on these buttons? Feel free to share in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. The real highlight of this design is the camera placement. That looks too much to handle. Now, of course, this is just a community concept, not an official design. But real rumors about the Nothing Phone 4 are also building. Reports suggest that Nothing OS 4, based on Android 16, will roll out between September and November 2025. And the new Phone 4 will come equipped with this new AI feature-rich OS 4. Some speculative leaks even talk about a variant called the Nothing Phone 4a and 4a Pro, with a massive 6.7-inch 1.5K LTPS display, 120Hz refresh rate, ultra-bright 4000 nit peak brightness HDR10+, and a DCI-P3 wide color range. Imagined camera setups go even further, with triple 50-megapixel lenses on the back and a powerful front camera system, offering flagship-level zoom and optical stabilization. Looking back, the Nothing Phone 3 already brought major changes in July 2025. It introduced the circular Glyph Matrix for the first time and packed a Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 processor along with a triple 50-megapixel camera system, including a periscope telephoto lens. While some fans were surprised that it didn't use Qualcomm's top-tier 8 Elite chip, Nothing focused instead on keeping performance balanced with design and usability. The Phone 4, if it builds on that philosophy, but with latest Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset, it would definitely be a hit. This new fan-made concept perfectly represents what excites people about Nothing. It takes the fun, quirky elements of the brand and doubles down on them. More glyph lights, more interactive features, and even physical controls on the back to reduce reliance on the touchscreen. It's different, it's creative, and it sparks curiosity about what the real Nothing Phone 4 might bring. So here's the big question. Would you like to try this pathetic-looking design? Do you see yourself using retro-style buttons on the back of your phone, enjoying bigger and brighter glyph animations and controlling your music without even looking at the screen and getting frustrated? Or do you prefer a more traditional, minimal setup? Nothing fans, this one's for you. Would you adopt this bold concept if it became real? Let us know in the comments below. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.